Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to take a look at the Oppo Reno 11 5G, the newest addition to the Reno series that promises sleek design, powerful performance, and a versatile camera system. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find it out. But before that, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. The first thing you'll notice about the Oppo Reno 11 5G is its elegant and lightweight design, weighing only 182 grams. The phone has a curved back, available in a stunning rock gray and wave green that feels smooth and comfortable in the hand. The thin bezels surrounding the 6.7-inch AMOLED display create an immersive viewing experience, perfect for catching up on your favorite shows or devouring the latest thriller. The display also supports HDR10+, 950 nits peak brightness with 120Hz refresh rate, Full HD Plus with 1080 by 2414 resolution, and with 89.5% screen-to-body ratio. Now in terms of the performance, the Oppo Reno 5G packs a punch with the MediaTek Dimensity 7050, a 6nm chipset paired with 12GB of RAM plus 12GB RAM expansion to boost the performance. This processor tackles everyday tasks, multitasking, and even light gaming with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, editing photos, or playing your favorite mobile game, the Reno 11 5G keeps up effortlessly. The phone runs on Android 14 with Oppo's latest ColorOS 14 on top, which is a user-friendly interface that is clean and customizable, offering smooth and intuitive experience. Moving on to the camera department, the Oppo Reno 11 5G really shines. The phone employs the 50-megapixel SONY LYT600 sensor for the main camera on the back, which has an f1.8 aperture, autofocus, and OIS. It's joined by a 32-megapixel portrait camera with 2x zoom and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter with 112-degree field of view. The camera system delivers stunning photos and videos, with rich colors, sharp details, and impressive dynamic range. Now, the selfie camera is a 32-megapixel shooter that has been a part of every Reno and Find X smartphone in the past 3 years. Moreover, the battery capacity of this phone is 5000 mAh, which is enough to last you a full day of moderate use. The phone also supports 67 watts fast charging, which can get you from 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes. The phone also has NFC support and dual SIM with 5G on both cards. Now here is my final verdict. The Oppo Reno 11 5G is a great mid-range smartphone that offers a lot of value for money. It has a stylish design, a vibrant display, a smooth performance, and versatile camera system. The only drawbacks are the lack of 3.5mm audio jack, a micro SD slot, and wireless charging as well. But if you can live without those features, the Reno 11 5G is a solid choice for anyone looking for a quality smartphone with a price of 1,599 here in Dubai or around 24,000 pesos in the Philippines. That's it for today's review of the Oppo Reno 11 5G. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.